Hello everyone, welcome to this short video on paper chromatography where we'll talk about the separation of different metal ions using paper chromatography. So the journal apparatus which is required includes glass jar, glass rod, filter paper and fine capillary tubes. The chemicals as per the experiment we require the metal ions, acetone and developing agents for the required metal ions. We took some metal ions, pinch of metal ions into small beakers and added a pinch of a small amount of methanol to the metal ions in order to dissolve them. Then we measure the glass jar we are using for the paper chromatography experiment so that we can cut the similar dimensions of the paper which can fit into this jar. So then the paper which we used for this experiment was prepared and the solvent was added into the beaker. The metal ions using capillary was placed on the dotted line and this paper was placed in the beaker containing the solvent, and we let the solvent to rise on the paper. This is the apparatus for spraying the developing agent. After spraying, we need to mark the solvent front as well as the point where the metal ion was rising. So this is how the final paper will look like when we mark the developing agent on the paper. We calculate RF value using this method when we know the solvent front and the point of the rise of a particular metal ion. Then we can find the RF value using this simple division of the distance traveled by metal ion from the point of application by the distance traveled by the solvent front from the original line. This is a method to know which metal ion is present in the mixture. I hope you understood the basic mechanism of paper chromatography. Thank you.